What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Bitcoin, guys. Our predictions have been playing out here on the channel with our rising wedge. Currently, we're sitting at 38,650. We're down almost 5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 725 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 26.77 billion. Hey guys, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, and if you'd like to, you can watch the video on 1.5 or 2 times speed. People are in my comment section like, bro, you just hit the bong, you just come back from the bar. I'm just laid back, right? It's just the way that I talk. Don't judge me. It's all right. I'm cool with it. So we're gonna go into some little bit of juicy news here. It's very interesting news, and I would love your guys' opinion in the comment section. So massive outflows. See Bitcoin exchange balances plummet to 2018 levels. Now that sounds pretty bearish, that title here, but we're going to get into it. So according to data from on-chain analytics provided by Glassnode, Bitcoin exchange balances have dropped to the lowest levels since the deep crypto winter of late 2018. Market analyst Will Semente has observed the metric, noting there have been 2 more large outflows over the past 24 hours. 2 massive outflows today, one worth 23,530 Bitcoin this morning, and another batch worth of 40,181 Bitcoin about half an hour ago. Absolutely massive amounts here. When Bitcoin leaves centralized crypto exchanges, it's usually viewed as a bullish sign. The assets may be moved into custody and cold wallets or being invested in DeFi. Conversely, where there are large inflows to exchanges, it is considered bearish as investors are preparing to liquidate. So this is actually a good sign. If you read the title in the first sentence, it sounds pretty bearish. What it's showing us is that the whales are looking to hold their Bitcoin long term. They're storing it, they're moving it into DeFi, which is a beautiful sign here. So as evidenced by the chart above, April and May witnessed a lot of BTC being moved to exchanges, reversing the trend for the year. The asset reached an all-time high of 64,800 in April, and markets have been downtrending ever since. The massive exodus of Bitcoin from exchanges could signal another move higher and an improvement in market sentiment. So we can see here, whales are moving Bitcoin. This week, the blockchain and large transaction tracker Whale Alert has detected almost 50 transactions totaling 465,000 Bitcoin, worth a whopping 18.5 billion at current prices. So this is a beautiful signal, guys. It's showing us that the whales are putting their Bitcoin into their piggy banks, planning to hold for the long term. So they believe, and their teams and their analysts believe, that we're going to see a reversal in the trend and continuation on this bull run. So let's pop into the chart. So we fell out of our rising wedge. Now, guys, I have entered a position as we started to fall out of our rising wedge. I'll throw it up on the screen over on Bybit. If you'd like to sign up to Bybit, you receive over $600 in bonuses, and you can get in on these juicy profits, whether or not the price is going up or the price is going down. So you can see here we had our bearish divergence, and it is now currently playing out. We came right down to our level of support that we've been predicting on the channel at about 38,529. Now we do have this head and shoulders pattern here on the RSI, and the breakdown target is down here at about 35 on the RSI. So if we do see that sell-off, I would expect us to at least come down to about 37,000, find support on the 55, and then we do have our technical target, which is down here at about 36K. Now your technical target, as many of you know, isn't always reached, so I would always advise to take profits along the way, but I'm not your financial advisor, so you do you. So we're gonna pop straight into the weekly chart, because there is something that is a bit bearish here, and the fact that we've come up and we've hit resistance on the 20 EMA. If we were to get rejected and we were to go into next week and see a red candle, that would be a pretty bearish sign in my opinion, because as you can see here on the previous bull run, when we started to sell off, we came back and we retested the 20 EMA and we failed. We came back, we retested, we failed, and we entered into a bear market. So if we were to continue to fail to break through the 20 EMA here on the weekly, that would be a very bearish sign. And if we saw a rollover here and we found support, we came back up and we hit it as resistance once again, that would signify a bear market. However, I don't think that's the likely scenario with all the bullish signals, with the whales moving their crypto, moving their Bitcoin off the exchanges. These are all very bullish signs here. So what I think is happening is we've gone through a massive pump, and now we're just seeing a healthy correction. We find a strong level of support and we see continuation. So I'm also going to drop in this target for you guys. level of support here at about 37,172, as it would line up with the 55 EMA as a level of support. We lose that, then we have 36,241, which is our technical target. Now we may also bounce here off about 38529. That is a possibility. We have dropped back down into a healthy range here on the 4-hour chart, so your levels of resistance would be up here at about 40,628 and 42,175. However, as I've been saying, the bulls have been in control for over a week, so I think we may see a little bit of sell-off, at least down to about 37K, and then your technical target is down here at about 36,241. So shout out to everyone that got in on that short trade opportunity. And if you'd like to get in on these trades, if you'd like to learn leverage trading, I do have a full length tutorial on Bybit, and you sign up through my referral and receive up to $600 in bonuses. Check out the Discord, smash the like button. That's it for this one. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.